G'day and welcome to this week's Friday Beers and Tools with Andy. Well, a little bit different one. I haven't got a tool this week, but a little bit of reno stuff to show you. So I guess it's Friday Tools and Renos. It doesn't work. Oh well. This week we have another Tassie beer. This one is from a brewery called the 11th Order. And it comes from down south of the state, in fact from New Norfolk, which is not far from Hobart. And this is called the Rosetta Indian Pale Ale. Now, what do they have to say about the Rosetta Indian Pale Ale? Well, let's open it first. Rosetta Indian Pale Ale is a silky smooth and well-rounded IPA, and those that know me know that I like my IPAs. The balanced beer has notes of apricot, stone fruit, rose and chestnuts with a malt palate. Happy Friday. Very apricotty. Got a lot of apricot flavour there. Malty, but not too much. Quite nice. Stone fruit, yeah, I'm even actually getting some... I'm starting to sound like a wine toff. Look, I like beer. It's probably a little more fruity than what I like, but it is an Indian Pale Ale, which are known for their fruitiness. But it's not bad. It's not a session beer for me, but it is a nice change, and I do like trying different types of beers. Especially from the great state of Tasmania. Look, that's not bad. I would recommend you try it, especially if you like the fruitier IPAs. For me, it's probably just a little too much, but still not bad. It's a nice alternative. On my Spanner scale, what do I give the 11th Order Rosetta Indian Pale Ale? Look, it's a pretty good 3.5 out of 5 for me. It's probably not one I need to go to again. There are other better Indian Pale Ales out there that I prefer. But look, I like trying different things, so happy Friday. I did forget to tell you its specs. It is 1.8 standard drinks and 6.2%. It's getting up there. Okay, so a lot of you have been asking what have I been doing since I haven't been doing any car content lately. Well, I've been very busy still doing renovations in the house. I'm nearly getting to the point where I can almost go back to the shed, and I will have to soon because Natasha needs a new clutch, which I've ordered. But I have been renovating our toilet, and the toilet was pretty much unchanged since 1975 when the house was built. I'll put some pictures of it up here. So this is what the after pictures look like. Very, very happy with the way it's turned out. The only thing I've got to finish now is I've still got to paint the skirting boards. I just finished putting those on and doing some sealer along the edge. Lovely new rimless toilet, dual flush of course. I still have to paint the ceiling because I took out the center bayonet fitting, which had a very ugly 1975 fitting on it. Put in an exhaust fan, which as far as I'm concerned is mandatory in toilets. All toilets should have an exhaust fan in them, especially if you're married to someone like me, and put a downlight in instead. Colours are so much brighter. Got rid of the mission brown door, which was ugly as hell, and it just freshened up the whole lot. So that's what I've been doing. Anyway, see you next week. Cheers. My GoPro is doing weird things. Are you working? Speak to me if you're working. Oh yeah, you're working.